Alright, I'm going to say that this problem is a lot like 29, but honestly I kind of think this problem is easier. So here we go. I'm going to rewrite this as 2e to the x times 2. Remember that to a power you multiply, so that's where the 2x comes from, plus 5e to the x minus 3 equals 0. Okay, from here I'm going to say that e to the x is like m. So this is really 2m squared plus 5m minus 3 equals 0. From here I can factor 2m, and I know that this is a plus 3, this is m, and this is minus 1. That equals 0. So I know that 2 to the m minus 1 equals 0, and m plus 3 equals 0. A big misconception that some of you are doing is you're saying, let's say you factored something, and you didn't set the other side equal to 3. There isn't a rule that you can set each one of these equal to a number such as this. In order for this to work, this number here has to be 0. So back over here. So m is equal to 1/2, and m is equal to negative 3. Well, what is really m? It's really e to the x equals 1 over 2, and e to the x is really negative 3. So I don't know anything to do with this. I'm going to change it to logarithmic form. Log of e 1/2 equals x, and log of base e of negative 3 equals x. Remember that this number here can never be negative. E to the x equals negative 3. There's nothing that you can put here that will give you a negative 3. Keep in mind that e to the x looks like this. The result is never negative 3, so there's nothing that I can do with this side. Okay, so what would this equal? I could do this as ln of 1/2 over ln of... Oh, I don't need to do that at all. Let's just be a little more logical, Miss Losnick. Log of e is the same thing as ln, so that equals x. So then ln of 1/2 gives you negative 0.693, and that equals x. And there's your answer.